In this video, I'm going to show you how to show phone number on Telegram. So first thing first, you want to go to your Telegram. Okay, so let's say there's someone you want to check the phone number on Telegram, but it doesn't show the phone number. Okay, so what we need to do is we're going to go and you're going to search for this callmebot.com. All right, so you want to click on these three lines up here, and you want to click on this and click on get Telegram phone number. All right, so you scroll down, and as you can see right here, you can input the Telegram ID. So I'm going to copy the ID from that Telegram. I will input it. All right, get phone number. It says phone number not found. User's privacy is probably activated. So it works if the user privacy is not activated. You're gonna get the phone number easily. So this is basically how to get phone number from Telegram user ID. Okay, so make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.